Welcome back to our Beehiiv newsletter tutorial series. In this video, we're going to be taking a look at the Beehiiv referral program. I'm going to give you an overview of exactly how a referral program works, which means if you're interested in getting it on Beehiiv or somewhere else, then you've got a general idea of what you're looking for in terms of features, how it's going to work, and what you need to have ready if you are going to make it work. So there are some things that you are going to have to do: prepare, make, source before you can set up your referral program. In the next video, I'm going to take you through a full walkthrough on Beehiiv itself, so you know exactly how to set this up in Beehiiv. The whole point of this series is to help you decide whether you want to get the scale plan. It's just dropped down to $39, $34 a month if you pay yearly, you pay upfront. So we want to help you in this series decide whether this is the right platform for you. Now, in order to be able to do that, we do need to actually create a newsletter from scratch. And we're going to give that newsletter away because we don't have the option of running another newsletter. I just don't have the time in order to do that. So whatever we create within this series, we are going to give to you, including the referral program that I set up in the newsletter in the next video. We're also going to give you 30 minutes of coaching. Jump on a coaching call with us so we can talk you through any questions you've got about how to run with this newsletter once you have won it, and access to our pay community for a year. You won't need to pay for that. So if you've got interest in that, then link in the description. We also have a waitlist open because we're bringing out our own AI newsletter tool. Quite exciting stuff. So if you want to get on the list for that so you can hear about it first, see if it's something you're interested in, then go ahead and click on that. But as I said, in this video, what we're going to be doing is talking you through the referral program, helping you decide if it's right for you. If you're new to newsletters, because we have had quite a few new subscribers recently, we do have a free course on our channel. If you prefer sort of lesson by lesson, then you're looking for this playlist. We do also have on the homepage a 5-hour, you can see down here, course. It's all of these lessons in one video. So whichever way you'd rather consume it, then you've got those two options there. So as I said, the Beehiiv referral program is not free. It's part of the scale plan. You're paying $39 per month, but there are no additional costs once you have set up and started to pay for it. When you look at boosts, which were in our previous two videos, you also need a budget in order to acquire subscribers. This method, you don't need that additional budget. You can't get access to this on the free plan. If you want to try it out, they do have, and you don't have your newsletter set up, they do have a 30-day free trial that you can access. If you have any questions, you have our community. You can find a link to the homepage, on the homepage, sorry, of this YouTube channel if you want to access that. But get onto the free plan, try it out as part of the of that 30-day trial. Just sign up to the paid plans, and take access, get access to that 30-day free trial, and you can test this out and see if it's right for you. So let's just answer the question, what is a referral program first of all? So you've got like an overview of what it is, because whether you go for Beehiiv or somewhere else, you need to have an understanding of exactly how it works. So the idea is subscribers refer other people to your newsletter, and in return they earn rewards. Now those rewards need to be targeted to your audience. You want to make sure it's something that they would be interested in getting for free. Otherwise, nobody's going to refer your program. So that's one of the first things when I said here, what do I need to do to make it work? You need to have an understanding of what your audience is actually interested in. What would they find valuable? What would they actually want to get for free? And they're going to take the effort to go and promote your newsletter. Now, Beehiiv and other platforms do this quite easily. You get a link that you can share on social media, for example, share it with your friends, share it with your business contacts, and in exchange, you will get a reward. So on the Beehiiv platform, there are a couple of words that they use that you want to get your head around. The first one is milestones. Milestones is the number of subscribers you need to refer in order to get a particular reward. So this little infographic here, very simple. Milestone 1, maybe you need 1, 2, or 3 people referred. Once you hit that milestone, then you will get that particular reward. Milestone 2, you need to get more. Milestone 3, you need to get more referred subscribers, and these have to be qualified within the Beehiiv platform. for you to earn that particular reward. So what is a reward? Well, basically, as I said, it's just the thing you earn once you hit that milestone. Now, it can be physical and it can be digital. And what I recommend you do is you start off with digital. Start off with something that can be delivered in an email, for example, an ebook. Tons and tons of ideas, and I'm going to discuss more about that in the next video when we actually set up the referral program in Beehiiv. But whatever you're going to go for, I would start off with a digital product, because that can be fulfilled straight away through email, delivered to somebody's inbox once they have hit that particular milestone. With physical, stickers, hoodies, those kind of things, you've got to put more effort into the setup, and you've actually got to make sure that you can deliver out that reward to the person that has earned it. So that would be my first tip. The benefits of doing this on Beehiiv, well, platforms are built with these growth features built in, a lot of them, and Beehiiv is no exception. So you're going to be getting everything that you get within the scale plan plus this built in. And as I said, there's no additional cost. You don't have to find like an ad budget or anything like that. You just have to put the time in beforehand to create your rewards, decide on your milestones, and set everything up, which I'll show you in the next video. So the fact that this is all built in is really nice for you. The other things is that you can have things on automatic delivery. You'll have they'll be automatically delivered, and that means that if everything is digital, once it's set up, you can just leave it. Obviously, you want to monitor it, what's going on, but things will be delivered and it can just run in the background. As I said, you get email milestones confirmation that you can set up beforehand, which we'll do in the next video. You can put coupon codes in, which means that if you've got things on a store, for example, then people can be delivered coupon codes and they can just go over to your website, put the coupon code, and then get things for free. You can have delayed confirmation as well, which is useful for physical rewards, because you will obviously want to check that somebody has earned a milestone. Then you have to go through that whole process of getting things ready to be shipped, so you can have that delay and you manually go through and send out those physical rewards. You get a one-click add to your newsletter, so it's super simple to add something to a newsletter that you already have. So you write your newsletter and add in your referral program is really easy, and you can start this from day one. So if you want to start off on day one with a rewards program, as soon as obviously you're paying the $34 or $39 a month, depending on what you're going for, then you can have this set up as soon as you start paying, and then you can have it running in your first newsletter. I will say as well, with that pricing, as your newsletter grows in size, those prices do actually go up. So they're the basic starting prices. When you get over sort of the 1,000, 2,500 different milestones in terms of subscriber number, those prices do increase, but you should be monetized by then, so it shouldn't be a massive issue. The last thing I want to mention is other options, because there are other options, both in terms of other platforms that will set up a referral program for you. If you want us to go through those, then put referral programs in the comments and we can make some training on that in the future. For now, though, we do have some extra information on options for growth and referral programs in our community. So if you want to find that, as I said, it's on the homepage to this channel. Come in, ask us questions about referral programs, and we'll be able to point you in the direction of resources that you can access completely for free in our knowledge base, as well as being able to point you out to different pieces of software if you want to hear our recommendations and what we're currently exploring in our own newsletters and client newsletters as well. So if any of that sounds of interest, as I said, drop into the community. Next video is going to be the full walkthrough of actually setting this up in Beehiiv, and that's the referral program that will be in our newsletter that we end up giving away as well. If you found this useful, then I would definitely recommend checking out this video here. It goes through how you can use lead magnets as a free growth strategy in order to grow your newsletter business. And we'll see you in the next one.